Now, third, Lokottara Sobhan Chitta. The Lokottara Chittas or the supramundane consciousness are basically 8 in number, namely 4 Magga Chittas and 4 Phal Chittas. When the Yogavachar practices 5 stages of Rupa Jhan, at each stage of Lokottara Chitta, the number of consciousness becomes 40. These 40 types of consciousness are divided into 5 groups as the first stage of Jhana, the second stage of the Jhana, third stage of the Jhana, the fourth stage of the Jhana, and the fifth stage of the Jhana. In each stage, there are 8 types of consciousness. It means the consciousness in the first stage of the Jhana are 8, in the second stage of the Jhana are 8, and in the third stage of the Jhana are 8. In the fourth stage of Jhana are 8, and in the fifth stage of the Jhana are also 8. Now, taking into consideration the consciousness of each stage of Jhana, there proceeds the combination of psychic factors. They are seen as below. The first stage of Jhana, that is the 8 types of supramundane consciousness accompanied by the first stage of the Jhana combined with 36 psychic factors. The 2 illimitable Karuna and Mudita remain absent here. The reason is that they appear on the beings sattvas of the universe, but the object of the supramundane consciousness is Nibbana. Thus, the psychic factors which combine them are as below. Aisamana Chetasika 13, Sobhan Chetasika 25 minus 2, 23, altogether there are 36. The second stage of Jhana, there are 8 types of supramundane consciousness accompanied by the second stage of the Jhana. At this stage, 35 psychic factors are combined. Bitak, the initial application of mind on the object, remains absent. The psychic factors which are present at this stage are as below. Ai Saman Chetasik 13 minus 1, 12 Sobhan Chetasikas, 25 minus 2, 23, altogether there are 35. The third stage of Jhana, the supramundane consciousness, 8 in number, are accompanied by the third stage of the Jhana. Here there are 34 psychic factors which find combination with it. Bitak, the initial application, Vichar, the sustained application, becomes absent at this stage. Hence, the psychic factors present at this stage are seen as below. Ai Saman Chetasika 13 minus 2, 11, Sobhan Chetasika 25 minus 2, that is the 23, altogether there are 34. The fourth type of Jhana, there are 8 types of supramundane consciousness accompanied by the fourth stage of Jhana. The 3 Jhana factors, namely Vitakka, initial application, Vichar, sustained application, and Piti, the thrill of pleasant sensation, become absent at this stage. In the situation, only 33 factors combined with the Ai Saman Chetasika. 13 minus 3, that is the 10 Sobhan Chetasikas. 25 minus 2, 23, that is the fifth stage of the Jhana. The fifth stage of the Jhana has 8 supramundane consciousness. This stage has got the combination of 33 psychic factors. The Sukha Jhanic factor is replaced by the Upekha Jhana factors at this stage. Hence, the psychic factors available at this stage are seen Ai Saman Chetasika 13 minus 3, 10. Sobhana Chetasika 25 minus 2, 23. It in this way, the psychic factors combining with the 5 stages of the supramundane consciousness may briefly be illustrated as above. Akusala Chitta A, 5 units. There are altogether 12 types of akusala chittas, 8 lobhamulaka chitta, 2 patigha chitta and 2 mumuh chitta. There are 14 immoral psychic factors, 4 invariably present in all the immoral types of consciousness, and the rest according to the situation. The details of their such combination are illustrated as below. The 8 types of lobhamulaka chitta and the 2 types of patigha chitta make a total number of 10. They are divided into 5 asankharika chittas, 5 sasankharika chittas. They have the combination of the psychic factors as below. The first asankharika chittas among the lobha mula consciousness has the combination of 19 psychic factors. They are as below. Ai samana chetasika, akusal sadharana chetasika, moha, ai samana chetasika, which are 4 in number, moha, ahirka, anutappa and udacha, lobha and ditti. They are 2. Altogether there are 19. The second asankharika chittas, the first asankharika chitta appearing in the lobha mulaka consciousness has also the combination of 19 psychic factors. They are displayed as below. Ai samana chetasika 13, akusal sadharana chetasika 4, lobha and ditti 2, altogether there are 19. The third asankharika chitta, of the lobha mulaka consciousness has now got the combination of 18 psychic factors. It is accompanied by ditti but not accompanied by piti. It is seen as below. Ai samana chetasika 12, akusal sadharana chetasika 4, lobha and ditti 2, altogether there are 18. The fourth asankharika chitta belonging to the lobha mulaka consciousness has also the combination of 18 psychic factors. Man is substituted for the ditti. It may be seen as below. Ai samana chetasika 12, akusal sadharana chetasika 4, lobha and ditti 2, altogether there are 18. The fifth asankharika chitta, appearing in the psychic in patigha consciousness is combined with 20 psychic factors. It has combination of dosa, issa, macharya and kukucha. Piti remains absent. It is also noted issa, macharya and kukucha appear separately and not 2 at a time. The 20 psychic factors combining this type of consciousness, ai samana chetasika 13 minus 1, 12, akusala sadharana chetasika 4, dosa, issa, macharya and kukucha 4, altogether there are 20.